Hello viewers, my name is Alina Petrova. I'm a Russian grey hat hacker. I do full-time grey hat hacking for my living. This is my way for full-time income. So I come to YouTube, I want to share my income through here. On my channel, I'll upload step-by-step tutorials about how I earn income from the dark web. So, today's video tutorial is how you can explore dark web from your PC or mobile. That's what we will talk about today. Okay, this is my email address. You can contact me at this email address. If you want to know anything related to hacking or carding, you can contact me via email address. Stay with my channel and learn carding. If you learn carding, you will earn a lot of money. Today's tutorial will be about how to explore deep web. To explore deep web, we will need a tool. We'll need Tor browser because there is deep web in the Tor network. To access the Tor network, we will need the Tor browser. We will download the Tor browser from the Tor project. To download Tor browser, you have to search for Tor browser on Google. This is the main website of Tor project. If you go here, they are asking for donations. Tor project runs on donations. If you wish, you can donate to support it. It is an open source browser. If you want to know more about Tor project, Tor services, or Tor products, please visit this website. Learn about what is it? What is the Tor browser software? How does it work? If you come to the download page, you will get many options for your preferred device. It is available for Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android. Though I'm using Windows, we will download the Tor browser for the Windows operating system. Now, I'll click on the Windows button and the download has started. After downloading, we will install it. It's asking for my preferred language. I have given English as my preferred language. I have to set a location as Tor browser installation directory, so I'll install the browser in this location. If we installed the browser is in C drive and our operating system got corrupted, then we will lose our Tor hidden services datas. That's why we selected another directory except C drive. Now click on install. Guys, it's installed now. Okay. Now. Okay, then click on Finish. Now let's talk about Tor network. While you're browsing a ClearNet website or any URL, we don't need to connect to the Tor network. But when you will try to access any hidden network websites or any onion URL, you have connect Tor network first. So you have to connect the browser before accessing the hidden network. After connecting, you can browse any website on the hidden network. If we try to explore the website without connecting, let's see what happens. It didn't load. So, what you have to do, first you have to connect it. And if you want, you can tick Always Connect automatically from here. This will automatically connect your Tor browser to the Tor hidden network when you start the browser next time. If you don't want to, don't select it. You can manually connect Tor network by clicking Connect like this. When it connects, the browser will notify you that it is connected to the Tor network. Now we are connected to the Tor network, and we can explore any websites from hidden network. Now I'll explore few hidden network websites like CIA, BBC, etc. We are now in CIA's hidden network website. By this way, you can access all the contents of hidden networks. I mean, entire dark web. Now, I'll show you some other random websites. By this way, you can access all the contents of hidden networks. I mean, entire dark web. Now, I'll show you some other random websites. This is BBC's website. I will open some other legit dark web financial vendor websites. I'm visiting these websites one by one. Guys, I'm going to test another thing, so that you can understand the Tor browser and Tor network's mechanism. Look, Tor network websites are experiencing problems in this ClearNet browser, so you won't be able to access them using any standard ClearNet browser. If we try to open the BBC Onion website or any other Onion link on the ClearNet browser, it will not open because there is no option connect to Tor network in this browser. So, guys, if you want to access any dark web website or vendor link or content, you will definitely need Tor browser, and first you have connected Tor network, then you are able to access. Anyway, the websites you can see here, are legit dark web financial vendors. If you browse financial vendors' websites, you will always have to browse safely. There is a trust issue. There are many fake vendors. Those are my trusted vendors. I work with them so you can browse them. I will give you all the links in my video's description, okay? So, you can do this and you can get access to dark web from PC like this, okay? And to get access from mobile phone, what you have to do, go to your Play Store like this, then search Tor browser. After install the Tor browser, you will get the option to connect to the Tor network like this image. After connecting to Tor, you will be able to access all the dark web websites. How can you safely explore dark web from your phone or PC? So be sure to explore dark web with caution. Be sure to pay attention to any financial vendor website before you buy anything. That's all for today.